This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove VW Emblem Tiguan. Warm the adhesive with a hairdryer, then slide dental floss behind the emblem and saw gently to separate. Use a plastic trim tool to lift edges and clean residue with adhesive remover and a microfiber cloth. If clips remain, remove them with needle nose pliers and replace broken clips before reattaching a new emblem to avoid paint issues. Start by collecting the right tools and a well-lit workspace, then warm the emblem evenly to loosen glue. Use dental floss as a sawing motion behind the badge, keeping the floss flat and consistent for an even pull. Pry with a plastic trim tool only after the adhesive gives way, then clean any remaining residue and inspect for broken clips before finishing the area for reinstallation. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're super comfortable and durable for garage work. It's my small way to recommend quality gear. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Check the description for the sock link and other deals to support the channel. Thanks for watching and supporting these tips. Now let's get back to the video. Avoid excessive heat to protect clearcoat, and never use metal tools directly on paint to prevent scratches. If adhesive is stubborn, apply a dedicated remover and let it dwell a few minutes before repeating the floss method, and keep small fasteners organized in a container. Wear gloves to protect hands, and if the finish is fresh or the clips are complex, consider a professional to avoid costly mistakes and ensure a neat result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.